Today we're going back to the MIT integration bee from 2014, problem 12. We have the integral of 1 over x squared minus 15x minus 2024 dx. Okay, to get started with this, I definitely want to factor this denominator. I don't really know what else to do. But the thing that's tricky is it's kind of, usually I just factor these on the fly, but it's hard to know what to do when you've got a 2024 in there. Well, what I can do to help us is let's just use, I'll give the prime factorization for this. If you multiply 2 times 19 times 53, that's going to be the same thing as 2024. And what we want to do in the factoring is find a way to arrange these where the difference of multiplying by two numbers is going to be just 15. With only 3 primes, it's not too hard to find. If I multiply these together, we can write this as 38 times 53. And just notice the difference there is going to be 15. And so what I'll do to factor this, let's just rewrite this thing. I can write this as x minus 53 times the other part, x plus 38. And that's going to be the same thing as what we have there in the denominator. And what I can do is just set this up to use partial fractions on it. We'll split it up into 2 fractions. We'll want one, we'll write as a over x minus 53, and the second one we'll just write as b over x plus 38. And now in order to get our a and b value, make it a little bit quicker, we can use the cover-up method. Starting with this is going to get us our a value. If I plug in 53 is going to make this 0. Cover that up, and then plug this in over here. Doing it, this whole fraction on the left is going to become 1 over 91. Next, doing basically the same thing over here on x plus 38. In order to get our b value, if I plug in minus 38 here, that makes this 0. Cover this up, plug in the minus 38 here, and then the whole fraction is just going to become minus 1 over 91. So now we'll just use this and rewrite our integral. So the first part, we can bring this, it's a constant, so we could bring it outside of the integral, but I'm just going to leave it for now. So we'll have 1 over 91, x minus 53, and yeah, let's split it into 2 integrals. And then for the second one, we'll just write this as a plus. We'll have our minus 1 over 91 here, and then we're going to have our x plus 38 in the denominator. But now here we have just 2 easy integrals. For the first one, this is going to become 1 over 91 natural log absolute value x minus 53. And the second one, we'll bring the minus 1 over 91 in front. This is natural log absolute value x plus 38. But then let's just clean it up a little bit. I'll factor out the 1 over 91. We'll have a minus side in here with the log properties allows me to bring it together. And so for my final solution to this, we have 1 over 91 natural log x minus 53 over x plus 38. Add a plus c if I can fit it, and that's it. Okay, there you have it. Partial fractions problem from MIT 2014. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.